Just a bit overgrown in there. Almost walked into my buddy again here. Out fishing the yard. So a couple of weeks ago on the wormhole, we were talking about soil aggregates and worms and such. These are worm castings sitting on top of the soil from where a worm crawled out, and you can see all those little balls that they form. That's how we get that nice aggregate structure in soil. Oh, there's a little herd of them. I heard them come running in. This dogwood tree blooms beautifully in the spring and has some beautiful fruits on it here in the fall. Brilliant red. I haven't caught them on video yet until now, but I do have a little toad friend that hangs out by the door here. And I actually found him back late spring, early June, early summer. And I was super stoked because that's where all the bugs come with the light on at night. So I'm sure he's been feasted, and that's why he's such a big old guy. Look who's around to visit and getting bigger still. Didn't even see him until I sat down. I gotta pay more attention when I come out. Pair of eagles circling over me here today. Phone really doesn't zoom well enough to do justice to it. They're up there calling.